entertaining on the bank. Grab a little hook, bait a night crawler. Hold on a second, something's pecking at my bobber. Hook set in the lip, makes me wanna take a dip. Have your buddy take the pic, yeah, I can catch a fish.
Alright guys, we're out here at this lake. It's a bit flooded actually. Where we're standing usually is the bank. And as you can see, I'm in boots almost all the way up. Just a little bit of chatterbait with a Bass Pro Shops trailer. And somehow they're hitting them out here, which I thought was pretty nice. But yeah, out here with Jack. Hopefully, ooh, got one. Oh my God. Yo, this is a nice one. Oh my God, Jack, you might need to get this. Oh my God. Stay pinned, babe, stay pinned. Oh my God, Jack.
Stay pinned. Oh my God, Jack.
Ah, no! Oh my God. That was big. Oh my God, Jack. My God. Now, I know what you guys are gonna say. And you'd be like, "Oh, you're overreacting." Oh no, that was a big fish. Oh my God. We're hitting them out here, guys. Wow. All right, we'll get back to you guys. I wanted to tell you guys that when I was here and I caught this other fish, it was like right here near where my rod tip is, and I lost it. So Jack was like, "Throw it back in." Threw it back in, and it came and got it and grabbed it again, which I thought was pretty nice and pretty sick actually. But yeah. All right, got one, guys. Well, he's gonna get up in them weeds there. There we go. Oh, yo, he's like a nice one. He's like a 2. Grab him. Nice. Wow. Holy crap. He's been hooked before too. There, I got him. Get it? No, you're good. Wow, look at that guy. Probably about 2.5, you think? Go fish and get a nice photo of him and get him a release. Alright guys, we're gonna get a release of this guy right here. Look at all of that chunky bass. There he goes. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. We were only able to pull out a couple fish between us. We tried all around the lake, but because of the high water conditions and the flooding, it proved to be a bit difficult. But yeah, if you guys are not subscribed already, subscribe to the YouTube channel. More videos to come out in the spring. And thank you guys for watching. And see you guys next time.